Hello everyone. So we are in LA right now. This is actually Malibu. We went to the Malibu beach and did some birding here. We are heading to a different location right now. This trip is going to be kind of an adventure for us. We were in LA, we came here, and now we are going to Yosemite and Sequoia National Parks. We'll be staying there and we'll try to do bird and some trails. Let's see what we get to see over there. But just to show you the view, here it is. The beach is home to a variety of species, which includes black-bellied plover, which were in a good number, and we did see snowy plovers along with them in a decent number as well. How can we skip these double-crested cormorants? There is a variety of gulls which one could spot there. That includes western gulls, California gulls, and American herring gulls. We saw a huge flock of these brown pelicans along with the other birds. After birding for almost a day, we drove to Bakersfield to stay for the night, and next day we went to our first national park, that is Yosemite National Park. Our main goal was to explore the park and to bird when possible. Though I have visited this park earlier this year, I barely got a chance to explore it properly that time. However, I did explore some of the trails and flora and fauna it has to offer this time. We were showered with a variety of bird species during our stay in this park. Some of them includes red-breasted sapsucker, acorn woodpeckers are always fun to watch. I think they are one of my favorite woodpeckers. We were able to hear them throughout our stay in the valley, but we didn't know we'll see a family of mountain quails near the visitor center. Hairy woodpecker is one of the resident species as well in this park. On our visit to the glacier point, we saw a bunch of common ravens too. The park is full with Steller's jays, but this one was the friendliest jay so far. Despite the variety of species we saw, the mega sighting of this trip has to be this great grey owl. Thanks to my friend who spotted it at first, we saw a pair of great grey owls near our campsite. We went to Glacier Point to witness the park's landscape, and I must say it doesn't disappoint at all. Next day, after having breakfast and packing our tents, we went straight towards Sequoia National Park, which was our last destination of this trip. On the first hike itself, we were awestruck as we saw a huge bear coming out of the woods. Though the birding was limited here, we did enjoy the company of giant sequoias. We did some birding next morning, and unfortunately my camera battery died quickly. We did see a lot of birds here. Some of them I managed to click with the limited battery were hermit warbler, a cute yellow-black warbler that is common in this habitat. rock wrens were also here along with white-headed woodpeckers. I couldn't capture the shots, but we did see western wood peewee, brown creeper, black-throated grey warbler, Nashville warbler, black-headed grosbeak to name a few. Overall, the trip was amazing, and though it was a mix of birding and hiking and a lot of driving, we did manage to see 63 species in those few days. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular updates and keep watching Birds and More. Thank you.